How to enroll in Zelle on the US Bank app. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Help Deck. So in today's video, I'll show you how you can enroll in Zelle for the US Bank app. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to enroll with Zelle on the US Bank app, all you have to do is just go ahead and then launch the US Bank application. Then just choose the option called Get Started under the Send Money with Zelle section. So once you click on the Get Started button over here, step 1 is to choose an email or your phone number that's connected to your bank profile. For this example, let's go with the phone number, right? Then once you select your email or phone number, that's absolutely great. Now let's move on to the next step by selecting the continue option over here. As you do that, step 2 is to make sure that it is you. So you have to verify your account with a 6-digit code that will be sent to your phone. So just make sure that you receive the code and then just hit the continue button. And as soon as you do that, step 3 is to simply make sure the money is going to the right place. So choose an account that you'd like to select your Zelle payments deposited into and then just select the enroll button to proceed over here. And as soon as you do that, you've successfully completed the enrollment and can now send and receive money securely through the Zelle app. That's all it takes to enroll in Zelle on the US Bank app. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.